This is page 8 of your math journal. This is going to be chapter 7 and 8 vocab. There weren't a lot of vocabulary words in chapter 7, so I'm just going to combine both of them into this one. Okay, so the first one I want is an equation. An equation is setting two expressions equal to each other. Expressions, sorry. Oh my goodness, I can't spell today. E-X-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N. Yes. Setting two expressions equal to each other, meaning has an equal sign in it. Okay, a solution. A value that makes an equation or inequality true. So example, when we have x plus 2 equals 4, 2 is the solution to that equation. 2 is what made it true. Okay, next one I want is a function. A function is for every input there is exactly one output. Okay, let's talk about what an input is. Input is the variable in control. Of the situation. It might be the one you control. Okay, in parentheses I want you to write independent. It's the one that can work by itself. Okay, output is the variable that changes because the input changes. Okay, in parentheses I want dependent. Okay, next one I want you to write is a function rule. It's the mathematical pattern the input follows to get the output. And it's usually written as an equation. Okay, last definition. Inequality. An inequality compares two values or expressions. Okay, and they're the ones that use not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So with that, I want to look at some key words. So we're going to make a little table here. Okay? We're going to compare equals, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Okay, these ones right here are included. So here we're including the number. These ones we don't include the number, and these ones are just equal. So here are some words that we use for equals. We can use is, which is probably the most common one. So I want you to put a box around that one. Is generally the most common one for equals. Are, have, had, total. What other words can we use for equal here? Equivalent. Same. So all those words generally mean we're talking about an equation. Okay? I want you to put a star here. There is only one possible answer. These ones here have many solutions. Equals is one solution. Oh, you can't even see what I'm writing. I'm sorry. So these ones here are many solutions, and this one here, when it's equal, there's only one possible answer. So let's write some other words we might have. Okay, when we're talking about something being less than something else, we might also use below. We might use smaller. Notice how all of these, it's not including the number we're talking about. Fewer than. Okay, greater than might be in excess. So we're saying above would be another one. We're not including the number we're talking about in this. Over. Under here, let's write under. You might say exceeds, larger than, more than, okay, these words do not include the number you're comparing it to. However, this group does. So if I say no more than, I'm saying it could be equal to that, but it can't be bigger. No more than, at most, cannot exceed, and this is all has to do with this not part. I'm saying no more than, so more than, I need the opposite of that. Okay, no less would fit under this one. At least. Let's see if there's any others I can think of. That's all I can think of right now. But these are all some clue words to help you think, is it included or not included, and which way are we talking about?